Okay, I just want to say thank you because you guys have been absolutely amazing and none of the work that's been done here could have been done without you. Not even a quarter of it would have been touched without you guys. We wouldn't have had the sand, the resources, the manpower.
Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Today is Saturday, whatever day it is today, I think it's about the 15th of February. We're in the process of collecting sand to help the people of Raisbury, Staines, Datchet, all that kind of area, to help with the sandbag operation to put in front of the houses and limit the damage to their property and so forth. So whatever we do and whatever the charity group that we're doing, thanks to Guru Nanak Dev Ji's notion of self-seva, seva, simran, sacrifice. So as you can see, this is a journey. We've already done one delivery already, where we picked up a load from Lafarge Tarmac. Now we're on our way to another company to pick up small sand to drop off back at Raisbury. I'm sure as you see the video will show the process of how we're collecting and how it's being dropped off. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
Hello, due to the floods in Berkshire area, we are very happy to supply to the SWAT team based in Southall, trying to help the people most in need. And we appreciate the SWAT team's efforts in the circumstances, and we have tried our best, whatever we can do in the situation.
Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. My name is Randeep Singh. I'm here from SWAT, Sikh Welfare and Awareness Team. As you can see behind us, we're in Chertsey. We've just got here. 20 tons of sand has just been delivered here. As you can see behind us, how the community is coming together for the relief work for the floods that have hit Berkshire. We've just come from Staines. Another 60 ton was delivered there. The whole process has taken us just over about 4-5 hours to complete. We've had communities, we've had organisations, we've had faith organisations come together, and you know, at a time of need, we want to show people that the Sikhs are here. We're on the map, we're here to help you. You need us, we're here. We've said to them, anything they need, come to us, we will provide you with. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
Where you came from must be from there because, well, I don't know what else to say. You are phenomenal and you blow my mind. You really do. So all we can say from Egham, Staines and Pooley Green and the Hive is thank you.